A tour worth investing 2 hours in Istanbul. There are English broadcast guides here and there, but they are not enough, so if you have the time, it would be more exciting if you gained some prior knowledge about Istanbul, especially the main buildings, before boarding. You should not expect free mixed coffee and tea, but the 7 p.m. flight is a bit chilly when wearing short sleeves, so it seems perfect for keeping your body warm. Overall, we have arrived early and asked if we can join the earlier tour, and the team was very flexible and accommodating with us. Very friendly and made sure that we would enjoy the Bosphorus trip that we had booked for. Fantastic service. Highly recommended. A very cost-effective trip. If you only have one day in Istanbul and can only visit one attraction, then this cruise is a must. You can enjoy many churches and street scenes on the way from the hotel to the travel agency. Enjoy the beautiful scenery of the Asian and European sides of the Turkish Strait on the cruise. In summer, it is recommended to go at 7 p.m. You can watch the sunset in the night view, and the sun is not so hot. However, good for the price. Cruise up the Bosphorus up north till the second bridge and then U-turn. The cruise was a little crowded. Free coffee and tea served. Other snacks and drinks also served at a cost. Cruise was okay. Get to know more about the Turkish interesting places. There is 2 levels, so if you are too cold from the wind on the upper deck, you can go down and have some drinks and warm yourself up. For the price, it's worth it for the 2 hours of seeing the atmosphere on both sides. The boat was full of people, but it was okay. 1. 2 hours is a bit longer than you think, so it's boring. 2. It's better to sit on the left side of the moving direction to take better pictures. 3. The free drinks are mixed coffee or black tea, so don't expect too much, you have to ask at the counter. 4. It's a bit messy because there are about 100 people ride. The scenery was absolutely beautiful. I originally thought the 2-hour journey might be too long, but the views along the way were stunning and made the time fly by. The staff spoke excellent English and were very friendly, highly recommended. At dusk, you can enjoy the beautiful sunset by taking a cruise ship. The journey takes about 2 hours. There will be a broadcast on the ship introducing the buildings along the coast. The trip was good. The boat ride is amazing, with great view of Istanbul, Europe and Asia sides. Worth your money. Really worth the money. You'll be able to see all the most popular sites in Istanbul. It was little hard to find the exact location. Fantastic daytime view from the harbor for both Europe and Asia side. Definitely recommend. Overall a pleasant experience. About 2 hours on board. Selected the 1900 cruise tour, however should have opted the earlier one, as once nightfall, can barely see the sights. Gloomy day, so couldn't see any sunset. Free tea and Nespresso on board. Good trip around the waters of Istanbul. Easy to find the meeting point and 2 hours around. Nice cruise trip, but can't able to understand English guide what he is telling about the points. The sight of the city at night is beautiful. The guide was in multiple languages, which was good, and it's good value for money. Not the fanciest and most amazing service, but it was good for its purpose. Tea and instant coffee was complimentary. All the other drinks, and booked this tour at the last minute, on the day of the tour itself. Quite straightforward. Meeting point was easy to find. Would recommend it if you have no other plans for the day. Beautiful views of the Asian and European side.